In this video, I will show you how to get karma on Reddit. So Reddit karma is sort of like a reputation, so you can earn karma points and other Redditors can see this, and it's going to give them an idea of how much you are active in the community and how much you contribute to the Reddit community. So I'm just going to go through some things that you can do to actually get karma, so make sure to watch this video the whole way through as I go through some tips and tricks to increase your karma on Reddit. The first thing you're going to want to do is of course come across to reddit.com. When you initially sign up for an account with Reddit, you do by default get 1 karma. So you can see my account up here, I have 1 karma for this account. So to increase your karma, what you're going to have to do is contribute to the community. When you contribute to the community, people can actually upvote your post, they can vote on your post, and what that's going to do is gain new karma points. When you do this, you don't want to use bots or anything like that, as this can potentially get your account banned as it is cheating the Reddit algorithm. So make sure to avoid any bots or automated systems to do this for you. Also, you cannot gain karma by upvoting other people's posts. You can only gain karma by sharing content and replying to other people within the Reddit communities and then for your post to be upvoted. So for example, if I'm currently in the YouTube Reddit, and what I'm going to do is basically you would create a post and you would put something about YouTube or something valuable. Of course, you want to do something that's kind of positive. You don't want to post anything that's going to cause any arguments or conflicts, as again, that can go against the rules. Another tip I want to give is that some Reddit pages don't actually allow you to leave posts unless you have a certain amount of karma. So what you want to do is actually post as many things as you can, and you want to reply to different comments from other Redditors, and basically just be an active Redditor in the Reddit community. By doing this, you'll see in time your karma will start to increase, and once it's increased, obviously this is good for your reputation, so if you are a brand then this is very important, but make sure you do it the correct way and don't use any automated systems or bots, which could in turn potentially get you banned from the Reddit platform. You will notice that some Redditors do have more karma than others, and any Redditor can see how much karma you have. Now this is all down to dedication. If you consistently interact with the community and you engage with other posts and people upvote your posts, of course in turn you're gonna eventually earn karma, and this will start to build up very quickly over time. So that's a basic overview of karma and some quick tips and tricks on how you can earn it. So I hope you found this video helpful today, and if it did help then please drop a big thumbs up on the video and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. And also if you are looking for more tips, tricks and tutorials for Reddit, then make sure to click the on-screen prompt, and that's going to take you across to a current playlist of my current tutorials, tips and tricks for Reddit. So I just want to take a moment to thank you for watching, and with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.